Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank, the Low Carb Cocktail Guy. Now, wasn't planning on doing a Halloween cocktail, but things change and here I am. So what I'm doing today is a copycat recipe of Chili's Margarita of the Month, the Spider Bite Rita. Now, I've done a copycat recipe for Chili's Margarita of the Month before. I'll leave a link right here for that. You can check that out when you have some time. I think I'm gonna do this every month. Head over to Chili's, try their Margarita of the Month. Now, I'm gonna sacrifice myself for you guys because they're not low carb, but we're gonna do it in the name of research. Love doing cocktail research. So let's go ahead and get started with the Spider Bite Rita. So they use this tequila, an orange liqueur, a sour mix, and a raspberry syrup. So now traditionally a margarita doesn't use sour mix, it uses just lime juice. So a sour mix is really easy to make, and I actually have a link to that video right here also. You can see how to make a sour mix. And now, in that video, it does say it's 0 carb, but since then, Real Lime's gotten back to me, and it's not 0 carbs. So the way this breaks down, it's 1 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 ounce of simple syrup. You're gonna have 3 ounces of mix. So math. It'll all be in the bottom. I ain't got time for that right now. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So in our small tin, we're gonna go ahead and start building. We're gonna go 2 ounces of tequila. And guys, this is the new Terramana tequila from Dwayne Johnson, The Rock. Can you smell? No, I'm not gonna do that. Not gonna do that. But this is a really good tequila. Now it says citrusy. What does it say on here? So let's see. Notes of light citrus with smooth, fresh finish. I don't catch the citrus so much as being the first thing on it. Most tequilas, or most Blanco tequilas, are kind of fruity to my taste. This one's a little more earthy, which I like a lot. And this is really cool. I don't know if y'all can see this real here, but it's on my Instagram. It's the Low Carb Cocktail Guy with underscores between each word. But they actually put their nutritional information on the bottle, plus a lot of other neat stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and use 2 ounces of this. That's probably almost maybe the last of this for me. So when I found this, it's really, really good. There was a lot of mixed reviews of it being just okay. Some people saying not worth the money, some people raving for it. It's a good tequila for the price. I think I paid $28 for it, not expensive. So yeah, I got like a sip left. So 2 ounces of your tequila. And next we're gonna do 1 ounce of our 0 carb triple sec, orange liqueur, whatever you wanna call it. Video's right there. So we do 1 ounce of this. And we do 1 ounce of our sour mix. So that's gonna be all we're gonna shake. Now we're gonna have some blackberry syrup added at the end of it for this really cool effect that's supposed to have. When they brought it to my table, it really didn't have that. It may have had it when it sat at the bar. It's supposed to have like a little red lines coming down, maybe looking like blood or something dripping through it. When I got it at the table, all the blackberry syrup had settled at the bottom, so it really didn't look that great when I got it. So we're gonna find out if it's just because it sat too long or what, because we're gonna be building it now. So by the way, this is the first time I'm doing this, so we're gonna see how this goes. So in our other tin, we're gonna add some ice. Pour all this together, and we give this a good shake. Ooh, knocking stuff over. If you hadn't caught it in some of my other videos about shaking, I'm probably gonna do a video on just like tips and tricks. You wanna shake, some people say 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 30 seconds. You wanna go till you get a nice frost on the tin. Now, in a margarita glass, and this is one thing I found kind of weird when I got it over at Chili's, is they served it in a martini glass. The martini glass is just like a straight cone. I hate martini glasses. I mean, I'll use them if it makes the drink look prettier in a picture, but they're horrible to drink out of. Stuff just sloshes and splashes all over the place. And it's really hard to drink out of a martini glass. So a margarita glass will have a straight top, right at the lip of the glass, there's a straight edge, and that's gonna keep stuff from sloshing all over. So martini glass is not the best thing to drink out of in general. So let's go ahead and add some fresh ice. I'm gonna strain this all in. So basically, all this really is a margarita with sour mix instead of, lime juice. So this is what makes it the spider bite, is the blackberry syrup. So we're gonna add 1 ounce of blackberry syrup. Now I'm gonna see if I can do this like I think it should have been done. I'm not sure. So a little bit. I'm just gonna run it down my shot glass, my jigger. It's starting to settle around a little bit. So, we'll see. That's it. So this is, it looks just like, not really, because mine all settled down at the bottom, theirs is at the top. So this, you guys, is Chili's October Margarita of the Month, the Spider Bite Rita, the copycat version. Didn't use the same brand tequila they did. They use a Contra, which is a brandy-based orange liqueur. Mine is a vodka-based. I have used brandy-based in the past. That's really good. I did use a sour mix and I did use a blackberry syrup. Everything is sugar-free, so the only carbs you're gonna have in here come from the lemon juice and lime juice in the sour mix. On my blackberry syrup, 20 blackberries, a cup of water, boil that, throw some allulose on top of that, stir it all together, pull the blackberries out, blackberry syrup, bam, good to go. So let's go ahead and see if this tastes like theirs. Very similar, but better. I guess because theirs was super sweet. I mean, the Contra was a very sweet liqueur. And I think they had a little too much sugar in their, because they say it's a fresh sour mix. There might have been too much sugar in that, or maybe just way too much sugar in the blackberry syrup there, but it was a sugar bomb. I finished it because I ain't wasting $5. So, but it took me a minute. It took me a minute to finish it. Like they brought it before my meal, and I finished it after we paid the check. It was that sweet. It took me like a good 30 minutes to finish a drink. It's just, I just couldn't handle that much sugar. But this is a great, great substitution on the low carb diet. Oh, that's so good. That's just good. That's just good. I did it once again. So guys, go ahead and try to make this. And if you've not made my orange liqueur yet, make sure you check out that video I mentioned earlier. Make that so you can build all these delicious cocktails. All right, guys, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day. And after this one, and I do have 2 more videos to film next, I will definitely be having a great day too. I'll see y'all later. That is good. Oh, it's still recording. All right, guys. See you next time.